All right, what's up, y'all? I'm Javar. This is DUSAFARMS. Today I'm going to be opening some stuff. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing. Got a package from Innovative Tool and Design, so huge shout out to the team over there, the home of the Protector. I actually met them in the Virginia CannaCon, that first one. I think it was 2021 at Virginia Beach. I had just started growing, went over there, saw some cool stuff at the table, a little, tech and stuff like that. As a new grower, I don't even know what I'm looking at. I just see some stuff. I'm like, man, is that a Connex or plants growing in that? Man, y'all got this tool, that tool, all these different things, all this equipment. I'm just sitting there amazed. Like, the only thing, at the time, the only equipment I knew about was like a DHU, and then that's pretty much it, and like a filter, a carbon filter fan or something like that, exhaust fan. So it's like seeing all these other different things like CO2 burners now, all this stuff. I'm just like, whoa. So huge shout out to them. About to go ahead and open this up and see what we got on the inside. All right, so first up, they sent us some cocoa bags. This right here, it's the breathable like mesh type bag, so it's gonna allow more airflow within that root zone. They also sent the other ones that are pretty much in the standardized packing. It has some holes on the bottom for drainage. Huge shout out to them. I've been a fan of cocoa ever since I started running with it, so I'm gonna try these out alongside. So actually be able to compare them, the two different designs, with the normal one right here, and then right here the breathable material. So we'll see what that fabric. Compare them against each other, see how the root zones develop. Ooh, next right here we got a drying rack. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this thing open. I could just tell what it is just looking at a drying rack. Watch, it's just like not that. I'll be sitting here sad. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it is a drying rack. Okay. Yeah, set that down. All right, so it's a drying rack, and also it's a scale. So you could literally be weighing as you're putting your stuff on to dry. That's actually pretty neat. I'm not gonna pop it open. Should I pop it open for you guys? You guys can see, like, if I sit here and pop it open, it's just like a standardized. I'll have a picture on screen. Boom. That's what it looks like. But that's awesome. I've actually been looking into getting one of these just to kind of free up some space. The way I'm trying to do things is I've got a bunch of plants, and I don't want to I could leave them out to dry on the tables. Nothing wrong with that, but I'd rather get another grow started. So what I might do is just put them on the dry rack inside of a tent, where I'm able to control everything a little bit easier, and then I can go ahead and use the rest of the room to go ahead and start growing some more. So I think that's what I'm going to do. That's going to be like the best thing for me to do to get a continuous flow going instead of having to stop and start. Right here we got a little hat. You know what I'm saying? This is for me and this is for Junior. I'll throw Gino in this one right here. Now, shout out to them, man. We got the hats going right now. I'll go ahead and slap it on there real quick. How it look in blue, I don't know. I like blue. Blue's cool. Red's my favorite color, but I guess blue, I mean, we match with the background right there, so blue ain't bad for this video. Oh, I actually seen these. Like, it's like the little disposable helmet. Matter of fact, hold on. It's gonna look goofy. Like, I ain't gonna lie, you're gonna look goofy in it, but it's just like, why not? I'm not gonna lie, because sometimes I'll be in the plants. I mean, this is probably other uses for like safety and stuff like that as well. It's got some padding on it, but when I be in the plants, I be leaning over them. I be smelling like, my hair be reeking, bro. My wife be on me and shit. She don't play, so I might just pop this on there anytime I go down there to mess with the plants. I'm gonna look goofy as shit, but I don't even care, bro. Hey, that pride, that goes out the door. When you doing this, hey, it just goes out the door. Hey, we love the plant. That's it. All that pride, that ego, we could check that out the door. I'm a little foolish, but guess what? Who gonna see me? The garden, my plants. They might judge me, but who cares, man? Hey. That's why they ass getting smoked. They getting put in the pack at the end of the grow anyway, so it don't even matter if they laughing at me. All right, so right here we got a moisture meter. Okay, and we got the shirt, so huge shout out to them for the shirt. I was wondering. Oh, we got a 3XL, baby. This thing is about to, I'm about to be swimming in this thing. It's cool, though. It's cool, you know what I'm saying? I just get swole one time. I come in there and just get a little swole, try to fit a 3XL. Like, if I could feel this, I ain't gonna lie. I'm just gonna shrink this shit out of this. I'm gonna throw this motherfucker in the washer and dry like 10 times, and I think we should be good. It might look a little weird, but it's all right, bro. The wife gonna be like, matter of fact, I put this shit on, somebody gonna look at me and be like, my t-shirt with my panties on. Or she say, your t-shirt with my panties on. Yeah, I know what song I'm talking about. I'm gonna look like that. Super croppers. Oh, okay, so it's not just pruners, they're actually super croppers. So instead of having to sit there and, pinch it yourself, you could literally use these. It has like rubber protection on the end, so you don't have to worry about completely chopping off that branch. It's gonna allow you to like easily, do it a little bit easier rather than just having to use your hands. You're gonna sit there, be able to hold it, and just slowly squeeze rather than have to do it with your hands. So huge shout out to them for this. I've actually been super cropping on accident lately. I've been trying to do some bending and stuff like that, and sometimes I just snap branches. Sometimes, you know, push them a little too far. Some white juice not white juice, fucking water comes out. A little juice comes out the side, like they bleeding or something, because I cracked them a little bit when I bent them over. But you know, people see that, they're like, oh, you super cropping? I'm like, man, I'm doing all this by accident. I ain't mean to do any of that. Like, I'm just trying to bend my branches and even out the canopy. So we got another moisture meter. So the first one was like a digital LCD moisture meter, and this one right here is just it has the gauges on it. Has the different I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here it has the different going down. It has the different ones. So like the different ranges at each light, so you'll be able to tell like, hey, if it's in this range, it's this light. This stuff cool. I probably look goofy in this. It's cool. It's cool, y'all. I headbutt the fuck out somebody's ass. That's it right there, y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Like I said, huge shout out to Innovative Tool and Design. I'm gonna continue to get some other stuff. I'm gonna be trying to get their CO2 burner because I do want to incorporate some CO2 into my garden. So be looking forward to that. I appreciate you guys. Until next time, peace.